Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. So this is the part 2 of Balanti Mural. Yun yung magiging title ko. Balanti Mural. So, yun guys. Medyo half na yung na-paint namin nung Saturday. Then, pagpapatuloy lang namin ngayon yung hindi namin natapos. Then, yun. Sana matapos namin ngayon. And, maliligo na ako guys, and katas ko lang kumain, ano na, what time is it na? It's almost 6:36 na ng morning, so, yun guys, I take you there, pagdadala na ako ng stand para makita nyo yung ginagawa namin, hindi yung, bababa ako, video guys. So, yun guys, I take you there, bye! Hi! Now, hi! This is the part of our mural. So, we're waiting our sakyan. Our sasakyan. And there's something parade there. Ay, may nagpaparada din. Kagwapo mo ah! Sure. Sino na lang inihintay pa? Pinakamatakaw. Oh, lapang. May nagdala ako stand para ko mag-video siya na. We're wearing our pajama party pack. Pajama man. So yun guys, update ko na lang kayo later kung alis na kami. Bye bye! That's it, Pili! Kuha! Yung fried chicken! Uy, bata! Dapat chicken yan yung Hi, Gam! Back again here in ako. Papunta na kami with our new group. Hi! We have a new member! Hi, sir!
Tapos pag gumagawa tayo, tsaka ka hindi nagkukuha ng litrato.
Sir, may dala na akong stand.
Oo, pag gumagawa tayo, dapat
para ano, sir? Yes, sir. Diba? Papunta na kami Balanti, guys. So, yan. Yun lang, in-update ko na kayo. And bye! So we're here na. We're starting our new day, our new chapter with this room, and that's it. So mag-work lang kami guys. So and yun. Where your what's that?
Fruits, dito sa corridor. Pa lang.
Alam ko meron ay.
Kung may ano pa tayo matapagaling natin.
So, yun guys. I take you back. Bye. Update ko na lang kayo. Go. Yes, sir. Hi, sir. Have a great time. Hi, Kenneth. Sir, mamaya. Ayan po yung mga pinagkagawa namin. Pinakamagaling. Guwapo ni Rizal doon, no? Ano, guwapo ni Rizal. Guwapo niya. So, yun guys. And after our break, gagawa na kami ulit dahil we need to finish it. Oh my god! So, that is it guys. Bye! Hey guys, for today's update, isa-isahin ko silang i-interview kung ano na ang natapos nila. And first is Melody. Hi Mel!
Hello!
Ilan na natapos mo?
Wala pa po. Almost?
Ayan po yung work niya. Pack. Actually, ako nag-sketch dyan sa colors.
Yeah,
And this one.
Mali.
And you. Hi! Hi!
Oh my gosh! Hi!
Bilisan nyo guys! Kaya makatapos yan!
Malapit na yun, sir.
Ha?
Malapit lang yun, sir. Kaya na.
Ay!
Pack, mga gawa niya. Pack! Pack!
Good!
And
Tulungan nyo na pag dito sa...
ilang ko na lang guys, matatapos na kami! Right, Tony? Woo! Then, yun guys, na-update ko na kayo tungkol sa ginagawa namin. And
my lollipops!
it's so sweet.
Very LGBT.
Yeah. So, yun guys, na-update ko kayo. And update ko na lang kayo later kung we're done. And that's it. Bye!
Power.
What's slanting? Hey guys!
We're done.
No, we're not yet.
Ay, we're not yet Papa. But it's almost. So, yeah. That's what I do here. Oh, it's so gorgeous. There's a lot of sign here.
Yes, in casa.
So, ayun. Yung iba, may ginagawa pa kami, wala na dahil kanin na lang yan. And she's doing a banana, but a 2-piece of banana.
Wow, this is not too
I know, 3 piece.
Yes, sir.
Sir, piece of banana. Sir, meron pa yung alphabet.
At saka kulay. Violet at saka green.
Violet.
Sorry. Uy, paano naging pineapple yan?
Tapos si Mado na yung weather, frutas. Ayun
Sir, ay ma'am, weather cards.
Uy, yung English alphabet, wala pa.
Weather
That
cards.
is vegetables.
Sir, may kulang pa po. Yung pangalan, English alphabet and numbers.
English alphabet and numbers.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Kakas na rin eh.
Taas, sir.
Matas siya.
Sir, ko na lang, English alphabet and numbers.
Hindi. Ano yung muna yung mga lagay sa... Pagkagusto kayo, sige, dali nyo. Yung pineapple niya wala pa siyang black.
Opo, wait lang.
Ay, magaling.
Yung bilog niya nanig, ano, brown.
Yes, sir.
Yun.
I came here working hard.
Magaling.
Now, sir.
So, this is our finished hero. There's an English alphabet here. The
Don't die.
and the fruit. Sir?
You gonna die?
No!
Die, don't die.
I won't die. Parkour.
Di ba?
Welcome to Barangay Balanti Child Development Center. Tutor ko lang kayo. Tutor ko lang kayo. Here, that is Galima. The fucking shit. And this is Narne. No nose.
I'm the girlfriend. Hi, Joe. Boyfriend ko po siya.
Ay, siya na
Nilayas na dito, bilis!
Hi, the fucking shit.
Hi, Alex. So cute getting here. Like, oh my god, I'm so gorgeous. Oh, make tapat and make selfie. Oh my god. Say hi, this is Joe. Joe. Make it
All to Koreanos viewers, 안녕하세요. It's my prof who draw a weather, kinds of weather.
Okay, boss. Tapusin muna natin itong ano. Sinamado na siguro magpapano. Magpapatulong ka na sa mga tables nito, diba? Basta, patapos natin ito, katulad nito, wala pa pala.
So wawa.
Pero last na yan.
Why so wawa?
Kailangan mag-yes, sir.
Why so wawa?
Dapat kasi ano tayo muna, kunin muna bago.
May highlight ito naman, man.
Oh.
Why?
Ay, violet dapat
I
yun.
don't know why.
Medyo maging violet. Para
Sir, mas maganda yung pahinog pa lang.
Uy, ano kasi sa gitna na ano pineapple?
Tuldok.
bilog!
Bilog, tapos...
Basta dark. Lakihan mo pa. Green mo, tsaka... Lakihan mo ulit.
Galing,
Ay, nagkahaba. Pabilog. Ay, laki naman. Laki na. Shit.
Laki ng bilog ng pineapple niya. Yan, ganyan lang dapat kaliit.
Hoy, bigyan naman ng pineapple.
Oh, may gitna pa, besh. Kaya mo na yan, ganyan na. Gitna pa, yun pa o sa gilid. Ayan o. Ayun pa o. Ayan o. Diba?
Oo, di ba? Ito yung pinakamata ng bilag.
Tsaka to doon.
Puta ka.
English alphabets and numbers.
Yes, sir.
O yung numbers, wala siyang alphabet. Alphabets and numbers. Okay.
Nakakangala. So, kay Tony, I will end up this video in now. And I'll update you later. There is some person there dating. Oh my gosh. Nagdi-date sila. They're dating. Oh my gosh. What the heck?
by 12.
Hindi yan yellow green.
Ano to?
Light green.
Oh my gosh. Baduy ba? Sakto lang? Sabi niya, ito lang?
Mangga.
Cute namang. Avocado.
Mangga.
Bakit mo i-post na?
There's one Korean here. Annyeong. Annyeong sa inyo. Dalawang mangga. 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 Ay, kabutan na ka-curl. Makakal si ate. Samahan nyo. Lagi kayo nang gaganon. Ala, bastos mo. Ay, shit. You know what? I have a pimples here. Fuck. I have a pimples here. Pati yung pants, binili mo, Mel? Ha?
Mom's old pants.
What?
My mom.
Your mom do that?
My mama ko.
Ay, kinabili mo. Kala ko kay mother niya. Ay, kay... may pangit na sumingit sa akin. Ayun na. Force. Fuck. Force. Sige. What the heck? So, ayan guys. Hey guys, we're done with our mural and...
Naka-ano ka?
Yeah, we're going to the other side sa mga pinituran nila and yun. You know. Let's go na guys! Hoy.
Go!
Wait lang. Relationship goals. Ang babae pa talaga ang nagbubumba.
Binayaran ko ako ng...
Ayan oh my gosh, babae pa nagbubumba. Relationship goals. Oh my god. So yun guys. Na-share ko lang and... Oh my god. Actually, nalalaglag ng aking pantalon. Ay, chummy friends. We're going to, you know, here is the beautiful place here. See that side? Oh my god. It's so gorgeous there. So, yun, we're walking. We will see the other mural na ginawa nila.
Uy, pag kumako ha!
So, yun. Pagod. Wala ako kasamang naglakad dahil ayun sila, ang tagal nila. Ang tagal-tagal nila maglakad. So, yan. In a few minutes pa or a few seconds, they're taking a picture here. Sana makon sila. Charot. Tabi-tabi kayo guys. Hindi kayo nagpapaalam. Oh my god. And I will coming here. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful place here.